Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to folder multiple columns in Google Sheets. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Google Sheets, and as you can see, I have prepared my data, and I'm going to folder all this column in my Google Sheets. First thing first, we can select the column like this. And we're going to create folder. You can click on the three dots and then select this icon, create a folder. Okay, and now the folder has been added to all my columns, and I'm going to folder this column. I'm just going to select this one and click on OK. And I'm going to folder this column as well. Okay, I'm just going to select 21. Okay, and one more column. I'm going to choose this one, and I'm going to select 11. Okay, and this is the result. As you can see that multiple columns have been foldered. Alright guys, and that's all the way to folder multiple columns in Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.